All-Star Case Breaks doing Inception Hobby Baseball for Derek. He had the incredible run of Valiant yesterday, so let's keep it going. Daniel Ponce de Leon, purple rookie out of 150. Mr. Ohtani. Shaw, Altuve, Syndergaard, Rizzo. Oh, nice. Congrats, man. 5 of 25. Juan Soto autograph. Blue. Derek is hitting the rookies lately.
On card?
Or prospect. Yeah, it's on card.
Nice.
Beautiful card. Scherzer, Stuart Green, Jansen, Tucker, Carpenter, Bryant, and 82 of 200 Tukey rookie auto. Derek, any more? Or anything else? By the way, Derek, I don't know if you caught what I said before, but everything's going shipping today, a priority. You should have it Friday, Saturday at the latest. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good luck, man. Freeman purple out of 150. Lugo rookie green. Fletcher rookie. Philmeyer rookie. Lugo rookie. And oh, nice. Man, you're on a roll. 12 of 60. Mr. Acuna. Silver autograph. That's a beautiful card.
Wow. Hello.
Hey, I've got some sports cards I want to sell.
Okay.
Are you interested?
Are they 80s and 90s?
Some of them, but I got older ones. I got some good cards.
I'll check it out.
Okay.
55 of 75. Blake Snell red. Rowdy Tellez green. Ohtani base. Ramirez. Correa. Aniel De Los Santos rookie. And a, oh, nice patch. 19 of 199. Reese Hoskins.
Just pulling the hits. All the big names.
Congrats, Derek. A couple nice boxes there. Let me know if you want any more. 2 and 7 seem to be working, but I guess we're out of 7.